Okay guys, so now the next question, which is question number 5, is from the cost sheet. So let's read the problem and understand what they're trying to ask us. From the following data of Arnav Metallic Limited, calculate cost of production. तो क्या calculate करना है हमें? We need to calculate the cost of production. So let's see what they have given us. Repairs and maintenance paid for plant and machinery. Insurance premium paid for plant and machinery. Guys, where will this come? Yes, absolutely right. This is part of works overhead or factory overhead. Perfect. Let's move on. Raw materials purchased. What about raw materials purchased? This is part of my prime cost, direct materials. But they have also given us opening stock of raw materials and closing stock of raw materials, which we will adjust to get raw material consumed. Next, wages paid. Where does this come? This is also part of my prime cost. So we will first calculate prime cost by taking into consideration the raw materials consumed and direct wages and get our prime cost, and then we will proceed further. Next, they have given us value of opening WIP and value of closing WIP. This will obviously get adjusted with my gross factory cost to get my net factory cost. Now they've given us some adjustments here. Quality control costs for the products in manufacturing process. Research and development cost for improvement in production process. Where does this come, guys? These were the changes in the new cost sheet format, correct? And they have not specified anywhere in the problem which cost sheet format we are to follow. So we will follow the new cost sheet format because they have given us the changes as per what was made in the new cost sheet format. So these items were separately kept after my factory cost in order to obtain my cost of production in the new cost sheet format. So I will keep them separately. Administrative cost for factory and production, others. Can you guys tell me what is the difference between factory and production and others? These costs were related to production, which means this will form part of cost of production. However, this administrative cost will not form part of cost of production, but it will be separately added to cost of goods sold to give me cost of sales. Just like the way I would add my selling and distribution overhead. This is my other administrative cost. Those administrative costs which are not related to production. So when I am calculating cost of production in this problem, am I going to consider others? No, I am not going to consider others. Next, amount realized by selling scrap generated during the manufacturing process. Will I consider this? Yes, this will be considered while calculating cost of production because the separate items that we had kept after factory cost. Can you tell me what were they? One was quality control cost, one was research and development cost, one was administrative overhead, but only the ones which were related to production. So all these we are going to consider. The other administrative overheads we had decided to keep it outside my cost of production, correct? Because that will get added to cost of goods sold to get cost of sales, correct? So that we already understood. Apart from that, there were two more items. Can you all tell me what those items were? One was your packing cost, which was primary, which was kept separate, and the other one was any scrap value realized was to be taken into consideration as part of these items which were kept separate. So this will be realized from my cost of production totally. Next, packing cost necessary to preserve the goods for further processing. Again, packing cost was to be kept separate, so this will also be considered as part of my separate items, which means it will be part of my cost of production. Okay, next, salary paid to director technical. Now this again is other admin cost part of management expenses. So again, will this form part of cost of production? No, because this is not related to production. मतलब जब हम पूरी cost sheet बनाते हैं अपनी, तो this cost would have come where? After cost of goods sold, I would have added selling and distribution overhead, and I would have added administrative overheads others which are not related to production. This would have come there. But now what have they asked us to calculate? They have asked us to calculate cost of production only, which means this will not form part of cost of production. So this was a very significant difference between the old cost sheet format and the new cost sheet format. In the old cost sheet format, all my administrative overheads, whether related to production, not related to production, would have come under AOH category, which would have gotten added to my cost of production. But in the new cost sheet format, I will separate my administrative overheads into two parts. One which is related to production, which will form part of cost of production, and the other one, other administrative overheads, which will become part of cost of goods sold in the end, just like the way you treat selling and distribution overheads. So shall we start solving this problem? Yes. So let's move to our classwork, guys. Let's start solving this problem. So this is question number 5 based on the cost sheet. So cost sheet showing cost of production for Arnav Metallic Limited. So particulars, amount. So how do we start this? So we start this with direct materials. So you have direct materials. Under this, opening stock of raw material, which is the first thing. So what would that be? 2,88,000, to which we will add our raw material purchases, 64 lakh, minus closing stock of raw materials. How much would that be? 4,46,000. So this gives me my raw materials consumed. So how much do we get? The total. $62,42,000. देखो 62,42,000 raw materials consumed. Now to this what will I do? I will add my direct wages. तो कितनी दी है direct wages? 23,20,000. Any direct expenses given in the problem? No. So this becomes my prime cost. So 2320, 85,62,000 is my prime cost. 85,62,000 is my prime cost. Now to this what do I do? I add my factory overhead or works overhead. So the first one is repairs and maintenance of plant and machinery. Guys, how much have they given? 9,80,500. Correct? 9,80,500. This is part of factory overheads or works overheads. Yes or no? Yes. Next, insurance of plant and machinery. How much? 96,000. 96,000. So see what all we have finished, what all we have adjusted. We have adjusted this, raw materials purchased, opening, closing, wages. Wages tak we have adjusted. This will not come, this will not come. Already discussed. So tell me how much do you get? This is my gross factory cost. Gross factory cost, correct? Because the only thing now I'm left with is adjustment of WIP, opening and closing. That I will do only after I have my gross factory cost in place. Quality control cost, research and development, administrative overhead, packing cost, all these are items to be adjusted to net factory cost to get my cost of production. So I can directly go ahead and calculate gross factory cost. So how much do I get, guys? I get 96,38,500. 96,38,500. Now to this, I will make adjustments of my opening and closing WIP. So what do? Add opening work in progress. How much was the opening work in progress? 4,06,000, and I deduct my closing work in progress, which is how much? 6,02,100. So this is my net factory cost. Calculate करो कितना आता है? 96,38,500 plus 4,06,000 minus 6,02,100. 94,42,400. 94,42,400. Everyone's got this answer? Guys, yes or no? Yes. Okay. So net factory cost aa gaya. Now what do? Now let me make all those adjustments. So first, quality control cost. How much have they given the quality control cost? 86,000. Then research and development cost. Guys, how much? 92,600. Then administrative overheads related to production. How much have they given? 9 lakh. So this is done. 1, 2 done, this done, this done, this done. ये तो आना ही नहीं है, तो ये बाहर निकालते हैं. Then amount realized by selling scrap. So amount realized हुआ ना, तो ये तो cost को कम कर देगा. तो minus sale of scrap. How much? 9,200. And the last cost, which was packing cost, primary, which was 10,200. 10,200. So this is done. This is done. This is done. Salary paid to director यहाँ आना नहीं है, because this is part of management expenses, which is not part of AOH related to production. So this will be kept outside cost of production. So we are done. So let's calculate the final figure here. This is my cost of production. Guys, how much do you get? 94,42,400 plus 86,000 plus 92,600 plus 9 lakh plus 10,200 minus 9,200 कितना आया 1052 एक मिनट 1 crore 5 lakh 22,000 1 crore 5 lakh 22,000. Please check your answers. I'll give you 1 minute. गाइस ठीक है, लेकिन अभी ये प्रॉब्लम खत्म नहीं हुई है. क्यों नहीं हुई है? नोट लिखना है. लिखो नोट. व्हाट नोट? फर्स्ट, as this problem was solved using new cost sheet format, administrative cost others will not form part of cost of production. So rupees 11,60,000 which were other administrative overheads will be treated separately by adding the same to cost of goods sold to obtain cost of sales. So there is a lot of difference. What is the difference? When you are adding a cost which becomes part of cost of production, तो जब आप per unit cost निकालते हो, that time you will divide that cost by the total number of units produced. Correct? So when you are valuing your opening and closing stock, then you will use the cost of production that you have calculated per unit. So this cost that you have added here, which cost, this will get divided by the total number of units produced. But this cost, which is others, which is added to your cost of goods sold to give your cost of sales, there when you are calculating cost per unit, that cost will be divided by your sales units, guys, not production units. तो cost sheet का आंसर ही अलग आ जाता है. Guys, is it okay? So this is a very, very important adjustment. Next note, write down salary paid to director, technical, of rupees 8,90,000 is part of management expenses, that is administrative overheads, others, and will not form part of cost of production. Guys, so if you write your answer in this manner, nobody can deduct any marks. Okay, so sare notes, point by point, they are in place. Your calculation, everything is in place. Your headings are in place, your amounts are in place. So please ensure that your presentation looks like this. Guys, is it okay? Shall we proceed to the next problem? Okay, great.